Okay, I'm now on my 10th day in Barcelona. And what a way to start my vlog today by showing you pigeons here at Plaça de Catalunya. Look at that, it's so cool. Oh my gosh, there's so many of them. Look at that, oh my god, they're fighting. Jesus. They're so cute. Oh my gosh. I look that was on her head. Oh, look at this one. There's so many. So this is what it looks like when they don't have that food fair thing or the food market. Oh my god, they're so cute. Look at them. Hey little pigeons. Oh, they think my thing is food. They think the DJI camera is food. Look at that. Oh no, they're So it's Friday today, and it's 12:30 p.m. and look, there's so many people going into that city tour bus. Oops, excuse me. Sorry, excuse me.
Vlogger din ako.
Okay, look, I have a special guest, another vlogger. Wait,
Using DJI also.
yeah, he's got a DJI Pocket 3 camera.
Pocket 3, yeah.
Yeah. So we're now going to La Boqueria to have lunch, and it's his first time, so he's a virgin at La Boqueria.
Virgin.
Yes.
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 Let's go.
See, there's more pigeons. Okay, so this is my friend Carlos from the Philippines, and he happened to be in Barcelona yesterday. Good thing I found his, I saw him on Facebook saying, oh yeah, I'm in Barcelona.
Yes.
So I messaged him and said like, I'm in Barcelona too.
Yeah.
And then,
I thought Jojo
yeah, and then he said like,
in the
what? You're still in Europe? So yeah, so that's our story. So now we're going to La Boqueria to eat because he's hungry. Well, I'm hungry. We're both hungry.
Yeah.
So yep. There's and ayun na, sa may Dunkin' Donuts.
Okay. Where do you get those parang filter lenses?
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
Oh, it's an ND filter. I bought it through Lazada.
Pero yan? What does it, yung filter na yan? Does it make it?
It's like sunglasses.
Yeah.
For your camera.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, we're here. So you'll see lots of people because it's a Friday.
Yes. What are we gonna do on a Friday?
Go clubbing.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. And okay, right there. See St. Joseph La Boqueria. Is doing Instagram story. Okay, let's go. Let's go, Carlos. Yeah, you better hang on. You don't wanna, or I don't wanna lose you.
You're not going.
Saying there's a map. There's like so many vendors, and see like all the hams.
Sa Mercato.
Yeah, this is Mercato. This is just like Mercato, like mini Mercato, a big Mercato.
Big one. All right. Where can we get like mains?
Yeah, over there. See, look at this. See, look at this. They're so cool. And then they'll give you samples too.
Really?
Yeah, there's like a Filipino over there. Like she'll give you like samples, like nut samples. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oops, sorry. La Boqueria. Sant Josep La Boqueria. And look, they have the potato tornado,
Chips.
empanadas.
Ah, yes. Yes, yes.
Again.
Saan?
What? Oh, go this way. He's doing his Instagram story. Oh, my boyfriend Daryl, he's asking what's the brand of the gluta from Korea? Okay, here you can tell him.
It's Dr. Esther. I can maybe like, yeah, I'll Google it
Okay.
and send it to you.
Okay, so Dr. Esther Daryl. So I'm gonna get the burrito.
Ah, you get it. Yeah.
I'm gonna try this spicy one. Okay, we finished our beef burrito for €6. Now he's ready for another one. Okay, let's go. Have you seen it? The Iberian ham? Look at that. Look, it's 245 per kilo. That's 245 euros per kilo. Okay, we're gonna see it. Oh, she's not the Filipino, but she'll still give samples. Thank you. Ooh, pistachio chocolate. So, do you like it? That one's good too. The macadamia cocoa. Look, he's cooking the paella. So that's how it starts, and then this is how it ends up. So that's before and that's after. Look, the paella.
Qua ti danno
Gusto ko yung bacon and cheese.
So this is an empanada I got. So I'm gonna get it again, and it's only $3.50. So I got gelato again. Okay, thank you. So there it is. So I got the lime, mango, dulce de leche, and then pistachio. Okay, and here we have Roberto from Italia. From Milano. So what did you get, Carlos?
I got chocolate. Dulce de leche, pistachio. What's the other one? I forgot.
Oh, okay.
Caramel? Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I got mango, lime, dulce de leche, and then pistachio.
I end with sour.
Yeah, because the one I had before, that one I had before was all sweet, and then after that like all sour. So now I figure like I'll have the sweet and sour. Okay, we're all done. But look, so this Lucciano is like the moon theme. That's why they have all these the moon stuff. So see right there, Lucciano the moon. Lucciano the moon. So it's got all the moon stuff. So we're gonna go to La Sagrada Familia because Carlos hasn't been there since it's his first time in Barcelona.
Eden, what do you want?
My friend has
Why is it dark?
Come all the way down.
So we're gonna take the subway, line 3, and then line 2. Look at the pigeons.
and then you break it.
Aw. That way. So were you vlogging at the...
What's that?
Were you vlogging earlier at the gelato?
No, I just took a video.
Oh, okay. Wait, where's Roberto? There's Roberto. There's Roberto from Italia, from Milano. Milano. Hey, look, they have all these restaurants, and they charge more if you eat out here compared to like inside.
Okay.
Yeah, I forgot to refill my water. I threw away the the bottle.
Yeah. I mean, here in Europe, it's very economical to do.
Yeah. Okay, this way.
That's right.